swag, bitch.
Good morning, guys. I was just getting all the tools out. As I said on the last video, we're gonna be doing the injectors today. So I'm going to be removing the manifold in order to do that. It's pretty easy to remove it. I have done it before. It's just getting all the lines and everything disconnected. But yeah, so for today I really want to take the manifold out, change the injectors, connect my fuel regulator and the evac lines. Let's see, I think that's all. I'm getting this pipe in the coupler. Other than that, that should be good. I wanted to get this part here done, but I don't think I'm gonna have time. I just don't feel like I have a lot of energy today, so I'll probably leave that for tomorrow. But yeah, that's honestly not even that big of a deal. I also don't want to lift the car today, so yeah, we're gonna leave that for another day. So let's start taking the manifold off. First thing is, you should disconnect your battery. Mine's already disconnected. Then, you know, if you have your intakes, you have to remove the couplers. That way you can free the throttle bodies. I have to remove this because this, if you can see, this is touching the manifold there, and it will also need access to disconnect these lines. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do next. Disconnect now the injectors so I can remove the fuel rail. I was able to slide this in, but I haven't been able to clamp it on, so I'll try that later. But my hands hurt from trying, so I'll start working on the injectors first. So it's pretty easy. You just start removing these clips. Is out. This thing was a pain to remove, but other than that, it was pretty easy. Here we have it with the old OEM injectors. They're really dirty. Just can't focus, but yeah, they're really dirty. So I'm gonna be putting the new ones on now, and hopefully it's gonna look a lot better. Hey guys, so as you can see, I just finished putting on the new 1200cc injectors. Now I'm just gonna put the fuel rail back on the car. Fuel rail set with the new injectors, as you can see. So put this line back in. Everything is tied up already. So now I'm just gonna keep struggling with those lines over there and see if I can get this coupler in, and then I'll put the manifold back in. and then I'll do the coolant lines, and that should be everything for today. I was able to get everything done. I mean, obviously except for this, but I'm probably gonna have to run and get a Dremel to size this up properly, but that's not even a big deal. I was finally able to get this thing on the coupler, and I already have a clamp there, so that's perfect. Next thing is I was able to put the fuel regulator line in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's that green clip. It doesn't want to focus. But yeah, anyways, it's there, secure. Also the evap line, as you can see, it's all done. I also got the two coolant lines in there. You can see there's one, and then there's the other one. This one here. So yeah, I'm ready to put the manifold back, but before I do that, since I'm gonna be running like the vacuum lines for the wastegate and the blow valve, they do say to remove all of this, and also I'm not gonna be needing the coolant lines for the throttle bodies anymore. So I'm gonna get rid of all these things in the back, and then I'll put the manifold back on the car, and we should be ready. Hey guys, so this is where I left off for the day. I'm pretty happy with the progress. We pretty much finished everything that I wanted to get done, especially getting those fuel lines in there, putting the fuel injectors. I was able to put this pipe on the coupler, and it's already with the clamp. Now I have another issue that I can't put the turbo guard on, but it's another day's problem. Obviously the manifold is back on. I removed the parts I needed to remove. Actually, let me put this sensor, put that plug. So manifold's good. Put the little air filter there. Also clamp this one. Hey guys, so this is the car that I got my injectors from. This was a rear mount turbo car, and now I'm going to get the boost gauge, and let's see what else I can get for this car for mine. It's gonna be useful. Guys, quick update on the build. So I went to my friend's house, and he gave me this gauge pod, this 3-gauge gauge pod, and I also removed the boost gauge from his car. I'm hoping that I grabbed everything that I needed to install it, because he didn't know it was installed by someone else. So I'm hoping that I have everything. And this water temp gauge, like, don't mind it, like I'm not gonna use it. So it's just there so I have something, but I will get an AEM water temp gauge in the future. For now, I'm just gonna have my boost gauge and my AFR set up, and then yeah, I'm just gonna have like a 3-gauge pod on the side instead of the ones in the middle like a lot of people do, because I really don't want to route them to the middle console. So I'm going to test this out right now and see if it works. Hey guys, as you can see, the boost gauge is working. I've wired it up now, so obviously now I have to do the wiring right. I just wanted to make sure that it was working fine. And also my AFR gauge is still working. It says sensor because I have disconnected the O2, and now this one I have to wire it through a firewall so I can connect it to one of the vacuum lines. Hey guys, so update on the build. I did a pretty good amount of work. We are almost there. Let's see what we're missing. We're missing the vacuum lines and the fuel pump. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything that we need. As you can see, I was finally able to put my block off and secure my charge pipe, so it's there pretty good. And I have plenty of space here to run the vacuum line, and it's gonna go down here, up, and it's probably gonna go around here to the back. For the vacuum lines on the back, as you guys saw in the video, my dad cut these pieces, so this is for the coolant lines that go to the throttle body, so we're not gonna use that anymore. But this, you don't really need to use it, but it will help you, just so that, like, I mean, you already have this line set up, might as well, you know, you can use it. So I saw this on Corey's video, he did it, and it just helps like clean up, not having to like run new lines and stuff. So I'm gonna put this back now, and then I still need to find a place in which I can get the right size of vacuum lines to run all my vacuum lines. But yeah, we're almost there. So like I said, I just finished installing the open heart lines for the vacuum lines that go connected to the manifold, and that's it. Now I can just make a T out of one of these, or here, and sorry, here, and that's it. Well, that's all that I have for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy the progress that we have made. We're almost there. Hopefully the next video I will have a startup of the car, since I'm barely missing anything, and pretty much everything has been going smooth for the most part. So I'm hoping that we can have the first startup maybe this weekend. We will see, and I will let you guys know with a new video update. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the build as much as I am. I'm super excited. I'm super happy how the car is looking. I can't believe this is even happening. This was a dream of mine for many years, and now it's actually happening. And also is to give you an idea that you can do anything that you want if you propose yourself to do it. Because I'm not the most mechanic inclined person in the world, but pretty much I put this whole kit by myself, except for that part that my friend helped me, like putting on the turbo, because it required basically 2 people. But if you buy a mid mount or a rear mount kit, it should be a lot easier to install by yourself. So yeah, hopefully you guys have like more motivation to boost your own BQ, or even like any car that you own that you want to put a turbo in it, because it's definitely gonna make the car way more fun. Well, that's it guys, thank you for watching and have a good day.